Welcome to the second episode of Talk to KP, and I have somebody who I look up a lot to on my hot seat today. The number one, the most magnificent and elite fashion entrepreneur, fashion mentor, grooming expert, grooming mentor, somebody who's kept the pageant line in a different league today. None other than our most renowned Bilkis Parveen. Hi, how are you and how do you feel being here?
I'm great. Thank you so much for that lovely introduction. And it's always a pleasure to talk to KB.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. यहाँ पे तो हम आ गए हैं जहाँ हम बिल्किस दी की अभी पूरी बातें सुनेंगे because as we said talk to KP is about talking to me और यहाँ आपका free spot है. This is your safe zone where you can speak, you can let people know what you think, what we think, so that हम आपको यहाँ पे ये चीज लाके दे सकते हैं. Firstly, आपको ये concept बहुत अच्छा लगा of the podcast that we have come up with?
Definitely. So the thing is, Kiran, we all have so many things to say, but आज के ये भीड़ भाड़ के टाइम में, in this fast pace of life, there are many things which we are unable to speak out, and because of which बहुत miscommunications होते हैं, कमी पड़ जाती है लाइफ में. So where there is a platform where we can voice out our opinions clearly and definitely in a safe spot, it's an amazing platform, I feel.
So ऐसा कोई आपका moment है because you are related to completely fashion and fashion is what is Bilkis Parveen all about and fashion is all what Bilkis Parveen is all about. So again coming to this, ऐसा कोई moment आपकी industry में जब आपको लगा कि as fashion becoming a passion but also a mode of self-criticism कहीं पे?
Yeah, actually बड़ी गहराई से अगर सोचा जाए तो बिल्किस परवीन और फैशन का दूर दूर तक कोई नाता नहीं था आज से 6 साल पहले. सो आज जो आप एक फैशन इन्फ्लुएंसर को देख रहे हो, इट इज सेल्फ इवॉल्वमेंट, सेल्फ इम्प्रूवमेंट एंड सेल्फ क्रिटिसिज्म.
वाओ. So it means आपको काफी कुछ सुनना भी पड़ा होगा, एक्सेप्ट भी करना पड़ा होगा एंड फिर मूव ऑन करना पड़ा होगा टू मेक द नेसेसरी चेंजेस एंड इवॉल्विंग योरसेल्फ. ऐसा कोई पर्सपेक्टिव है आपका इन पर्सन दैट यू फील दैट आवर व्यूअर्स आर people who are viewing us should know about the fashion industry? Any key point hint?
So I would like to highlight few things. Being from a corporate background for around 11 years, fashion was not an important aspect in our life. People say I'm chota packet bada dhamaka, which simply means I'm short. So एक अच्छे word में बोल रहे हैं कि तू नाटी है. So that's one aspect. And I won't say I'm fat, but yes, there are issues of healthy places in my body. I'm not so body shaming, height shaming, I have faced it. So it is very natural because the definition of fashion and beauty is limited to a perfect height or a perfect figure. So this was one thing that irrespective, I should be comfortable in my own skin and confident in whatever I am today. So that's where the self-criticism came. Definitely, we have to look at the mirror and accept who we are.
Correct.
सब कोई सब कुछ नहीं कर सकता, तो हमें अपने बाउंड्री में रहकर हम कितना दूर तक क्या कर सकते हैं उसको एलिगेंटली हैंडल करके, क्रिटिसिज्म खुद को सेल्फ इवॉल्व करके, सेल्फ ट्रांसफॉर्म करके is what I am today.
And has any of your particular insecurities made it a thing कि आप उसको लेके आगे नहीं बढ़ पा रहे हो, या कभी ऐसी कोई particular insecurity जिसको लेके आपको लगा कि यार क्यों मुझे ऐसा बोला जा रहा है? Any one?
There are many, Kiran. I mean, देखो, कोई कुछ भी करता है तो लोग 4 बातें बोलते हैं. अच्छे करोगे तो भी लोग बोलेंगे, बुरे करोगे तो भी लोग बोलेंगे. But yes, I face the situation in fashion industry because of, as I said, age shaming, height shaming, body shaming. Yes. You are not a typical influencer or a model. So it revolves around the same thing. And then I felt that no, this is their mindset. So I need to be perfect and confident in whatever I am today, and
Correct.
then only I can. अगर 10 लोगों के बारे में सोचेंगे कि वो क्या सोच रहा है,
हम्म,
then हम आगे नहीं बढ़
नहीं
पाएंगे.
बढ़ पाएंगे, उनको सोचने दीजिए। वो 10 लोगों की सोचने की काम हम वो 10 लोगों पे ही छोड़ देते हैं।
Exactly.
हम आगे बढ़ चलते हैं।
Exactly.
हम आगे बढ़ते हैं, हम लाइफ में अलग चीजें एक्सप्लोर करते हैं, बिकॉज कहते हैं ना, 4 लोग जो बोलेंगे या सोचेंगे वो भी अगर हम सोचेंगे तो उनका काम कौन करेगा?
Correct.
So
Right.
that is true. Insecurities तो रहती ही है. I completely agree to you, Dee, because something that we all face. You are one of them. I'm also into the same, being a little healthy. People have said, how can you be a model? How can you do modeling? But I believe that modeling was just not meant for skinny people. It was meant for everybody.
Yes.
It's the way you present yourself on that stage. आज आप इतनी मॉडलिंग करते हो, फोटो शूट्स करते हो, प्रोफाइलिंग करते हो, आपकी कोई इसमें टेक with the modeling industry as well?
What I would say is you need to understand your niche. So I understood my niche. I mean, there are different kind of modeling. There's ramp models. There are print models. There are different kind of models. So depending on your structure, depending on your expertise, उस हिसाब से आपको अपना फील्ड एक्सेप्ट सिलेक्ट करना चाहिए. सो व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड, आज अगर आप मेरे इंस्टाग्राम जाके देखोगे, आई एम जस्ट 5 feet. But people don't know that. Many people, by seeing my picture, don't understand that. So when there are requirements of a girl of 5'5" or 5'7", and then I tell them that my height is this, oh, you don't look like one. So I had made my profile accordingly. So whatever जो best है, उसी चीज को explore किया जाए.
Great.
So you should know your niche. You should know your, the best part of your what you can do and do. Figure that out. If you do not have a bikini figure, please do not wear that. And if you look good in sari, please go ahead with that. So it's not that सब कुछ सबके लिए नहीं होता है. We have to accept that. And there should be a class, elegance. Just to under peer pressure बहुत लोग करते हैं कि वो कर सकती है तो हम क्यों नहीं कर सकते.
Right.
But that's a very wrong mindset, I feel. हो सकता है कोई कुछ कर सकता है, लेकिन आप कुछ और कर सकते हो. So find out आप क्या कर सकते हो और do that. So आजकल women empowerment के नाम पे होता है ना, सारी लड़कियां सब कुछ कर सकती है. ऐसा नहीं है. ऊपर वाले ने सबको अलग बनाया. Don't you feel?
Absolutely.
What you can do, maybe I can't do.
Definitely. सब अपने वे में अलग है, हटके है, अपने वे में यूनिक है.
Exactly.
The more positive phrase is unique, because maybe today what I can do, maybe आपके लिए difficult होगा, आप जो करो वो definitely मेरे लिए difficult है. ये मैंने अपनी perspective बताई है यहाँ पे. but genuinely ऐसे कोई आप अब देखिए, हम इतनी चीज़ों के बारे में बात करते हैं, जैसे insecurities हो गई, आगे बढ़ने की हो गई, लोगों की बात करने की हो गई. ऐसा कोई पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट जब आपने कोई ऐसा स्टाइलिंग चेंज किया जिसमें आपकी वो इनसिक्योरिटी ढक गई? कुछ some sort of peek into the advice कि हाँ, मुझे इस चीज के बारे में खराब लगता था, तो I changed it. I just hid it.
That's a secret. That's my secret things which I will share one to one maybe. But yeah, one thing is I added on to my heels.
Yes.
So that gave me more confidence. So that's one thing. And it's not necessary that आजकल if you see our our industries, there are many short-eyed girls doing very well. But yes, I feel more confident if I look tall. But that does not mean that ऊपर वाले ने मेरे को ऐसे ही बनाया है. So I'm very comfortable with that. And next, I would say there are many things actually. If you start, then तुम्हारा किरण इसमें कंप्लीट नहीं होगा. So maybe 1-to-1 session वो बाद में करते हैं.
Exactly. हम तो बातें करेंगे.
हम बात में करते ही रहते हैं.
Talking to KP is always fun.
Yeah.
But चलिए, ये सब तो आपने जो हमें इतना कुछ you gave us a vivid idea about it. कहीं ऐसा फील हुआ है आपको कि because of the evoluting nature, which change is something which is only permanent, TikTok, Instagram, Reels, ये सब के चलते कहीं आपको फील हुआ that your ideas and your creative notions had to be altered or changed? कोई आपकी creative thinking में कोई change आया because they are right now the social media, right? हम वहीं जाते हैं. आज मुझे आपको देखना है तो मैं Instagram पे पहले चेक करूंगी, या मैं outside India, it is definitely TikTok because TikTok is not available here. But ये industry जब से ये social media आया, what is your creative perspective change?
I think as I'm a finance student, so I feel that you have to go with the demand and accordingly supply.
Right.
So you have to understand कि किसको क्या ज़रूरत है और आप किस लेवल का प्रोडक्शन कर सकते हो.
Correct.
It's not necessary कि आपको ओवर शो करना है, be it skin show or be it over talkative, but at the same time you just cannot I feel I would not be wearing a nightie and dancing on a terrace. So I would do something in between. Yes, you have to look a picture perfect or something which is elegant and classy, and the message is loud and clear, because I would be able to connect with the audience, and Instagram is all about connecting with people.
Right.
So if I'm able to look classy, talk classy and elegantly, and connect both emotionally and spiritually, then it's business after all. Instagram is nothing but a mode of business.
Right. जितना हम अपने आप को अच्छे से शोकेस करके उससे बेनिफिट्स उठा पाए, which it is true. आज I think मैक्सिमम लोग इसी पे टिके हुए हैं. सोशल मीडिया के ही बेसिस पे आज मैक्सिमम पीपल आर acquiring a lot of things. So hats off that we got that as well. But आपको ये नहीं लगता कि इतनी engaging that we as socialites we always engage. You are out 24/7. I can even give you a verdict that after this podcast she has some other work to do. So इतना काम, इतना सब कुछ के बाद, when you're meeting so many people, कभी ऐसा feel हुआ है that in our industry itself, like in your industry meaning, there might be somebody जो आपको लग रहा होगा कि is just famous, so is getting work, या उनकी backing strong है, या कोई influential power है उनके पीछे इसी के लिए मिल रहा है. कहीं आपको लगता है कि आप वहाँ पे कहीं lose किए हो, you felt less that I deserve more than this, but किसी और का सोर्सिंग है तो उसको मिल रहा है. ऐसा कभी कुछ हुआ है?
I mean, that's a very controversial question.
अरे ये तो होता ही है सब इंडस्ट्रीज में. देखिए यहाँ कंट्रोवर्सीज नहीं है, यहाँ पे जस्ट टॉकिंग है, टॉकिंग योर हार्ट आउट है. तो प्लीज बताइए.
I wouldn't deny that ऐसा नहीं हुआ है, and I think बहुतों के साथ ऐसा होता है. So yes, there is you can say, I won't say injustice, but by the time the opportunities reach to the right people, it's already been exploited.
Right.
So that's how I think the market also needs to, people, कुछ लोग बोलते हैं अरे इसके followers fake हैं, ठीक है. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं अरे नहीं उसके कम followers हैं तो क्या हुआ, उसका content strong है.
Correct.
बोथ अपनी जगह सही है. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि आपके ज्यादा फॉलोअर्स है तो वो फेक है, या आपके कंटेंट स्ट्रांग है तो यू आर अ गुड कंटेंट क्रिएटर.
राइट.
मे बी द पर्सन हु इज मेकिंग द कंटेंट, द सिनेमेटोग्राफर का वो जादू है, मे बी नॉट द पर्सन का वो रीच ही नहीं है, बट उसके पर्सनल लेवल पे शायद. व्हाट डू यू थिंक? हैवंट यू सीन सो मेनी वी कॉल आवरसेल्व्स इन्फ्लुएंसर्स? हाउ मेनी इन्फ्लुएंसर्स डू यू मीट एवरी डे?
I think आज के डेट में सारे friends influencers हैं. I give all my friends because they've all influenced my life. They are wanting to explore and influence everybody else's life, which it is true. But कुछ content पे जाते हैं, कुछ organic followers पे जाते हैं, कुछ viewers पे जाते हैं, कुछ engagement पे जाते हैं. ये थोड़ा difficult हो ही जाता है एक point पे understand करना, समझना. तो आप मेरे को ये समझाइए कि इतना आपने देखा है, इतने लोगों को अपनी इंडस्ट्री में देखा है आपने. यू आर अ फैशन इन्फ्लुएंसर, यू आर इनटू मॉडलिंग, आप इतना कुछ कर रहे हो, तो कभी आपको ऐसा फील हुआ है दैट इट इज बीन अ चैलेंज इन बैलेंसिंग घर का लाइफ, पर्सनल स्पेस, प्रोफेशनल स्पेस, सबको बैलेंस करने के लिए कभी ऐसा फील हुआ है कि this is your take on balancing life? And
so I started working when I was just 18. So while I was studying college, continuing my MBA and working in an international bank. So मेरे खून में ये multitasking मैंने बचपन से है. Now after being married, being the only bahu in the family,
correct,
that to an interfaith marriage, But one way I say, Kiran, I'm blessed to have a husband like I have. So yes, it is challenging, but again we have to set up priorities.
Correct.
कि कितने दिन कहाँ कितना टाइम देना है.
Hmm.
मेरे को 30 days जब कुछ कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स चलते हैं वहाँ पे शायद घर पे हम हार्डली सिर्फ सोने के टाइम रहते हैं.
Right.
Then again maybe I take a 1 week or something कि अभी सिर्फ घर को टाइम देना है.
Right.
So work-life balance is very important. It should not go, any part should not be left out. So yes, I do face challenges, I wouldn't deny.
Right.
But how we इसलिए बहुत जगह नहीं देखती होगी तो I miss out at some
Right.
events and parties because I think इससे ज़्यादा priority ये है
घर.
health, home,
Right.
family, work. आप काम किस लिए करते हो?
For the family, to be
with
able
the
to
family.
live with them, enjoy with them, give them all the required things, luxuries. आगे बढ़ते बढ़ते तो हमें पता ही है कि
So yes, I have faced the problem. I have faced lot of problem, but yes, जिंदगी का नाम तो problem ही है. दूसरा नाम. So I'm learning coping up with work-life balance.
आपने जैसे अभी mention किया that you have done an intercaste marriage, right? Which must have been very difficult to make everybody understand कि where there is love, there is no religion, there is no caste. I believe that love bypasses everything. But again, with such saralta wali figure जो आपकी है, that you are so modest and down to earth, how did you change or maybe evolve your faith with the intersection of two cultural backgrounds and even implementing it? क्योंकि हम evolve तब होते हैं जब हम उसको implement करते हैं. तो ये आपकी changes कब से आई और कैसे आई आपके अंदर?
Okay, so it goes back to my childhood. So I have an interfaith marriage. It's just not intercaste. So there's a difference between intercaste and interfaith.
Right.
So interfaith is like two different religions altogether.
Right.
So bachpan se I was in convent. So we had that a lot of Christmas and Christianity, but I follow Islam.
Right.
Even after having an interfaith marriage, I have not converted, which many people do not know. People think that I have converted and I have become a Hindu. I respect, I do celebrate Durga Puja, I do wear a sari, I enjoy Diwali, I play Holi. But that does not mean that I have left a religion to accept another religion. So I have got my space,
right.
My partner has his own space, and somehow आज जो आप देख रहे हो मेरे को the new avatar of me is somewhere my husband has been supportive, and yes, I did have to face a lot of problem, but होता है ना मियाँ बीवी राजी तो क्या करेगा काजी. So ultimately situation वैसा हो गया था when we were working, and then we finally tied the knots, and जिसकी वजह से आज का जो मेरा अवतार है of fashionista, not मैंने कुछ लोग बोलते भी हैं because she is married a Hindu guy, so she is openly doing all these things. So these kind of criticisms I have had to hear, I'm still hearing, and again, so there are perks of having an interfaith marriage, and there are again बहुत कुछ cultural नहीं समझ पाते हैं, but that's where the partner plays the role,
right,
and supports you.
Correct. So you tell me that your spouse has been very supportive. मैंने सुना है कि आपने और उन्होंने एक baby को create किया है, which is your beauty pageant, the grooming session and the grooming. So basically what they do is they make sure that you are presentable on screen. You walk with confidence, you talk with confidence. So इसके बारे में थोड़ा बताइए. What is this all about?
Okay, so everybody knows about what is beauty pageant, and beauty pageant holds a very important role when it comes to personality development. So when I started my career, I had participated in one of these kind of a fashion show beauty pageant where I did not win. So back then this self criticism का part जो तुम बोल रहे हो, that had struck me. अरे यार, I'm able to बोल पाते हैं, connect कर पाते हैं, but maybe I was not that presentable that time. So I maybe maybe I didn't know how to dress, maybe I didn't know how to walk, maybe I didn't know how to, make myself presentable, because first impression is, first people look and then people talk.
Correct.
So that's when I decided that I will create a platform wherein the people, the ladies, especially the ladies,
Right.
who actually, whether you make a career or not, but you want to evolve yourself, transform yourself. And that's my company name. Face of West Bengal is the pageant name. There are many pageants all over Calcutta right now, but the mission and vision is different for mine. It's not a profit-making pageant which I run. So we teach people, train people. I'm quite known as a strict mentor. One of my mentees sitting here.
Indeed, the Durga Puja shoot was brilliant, and this goes exclusive on our podcast that we are again having our Durga Puja shoot with Bilkis Di, who is going to be completely curating and making sure that it goes perfect spick and span. So I'm looking forward to see myself in a new avatar too.
Okay. Yeah, me too. So that's happening soon on first week of August.
Right.
And so that's the 6th year of our organization. So we've completed 5 annual years. This is the 6th year. It wouldn't have been possible without my husband and my team. And और क्या बोलूं, we intend to continue that. A lot of lessons I have learned through that pageant. It's just not a business thing. कि होता है ना, आप नसीब से ज्यादा और वक्त से पहले नहीं मिलता है. तो 5 साल में ये जो वक्त बिताया है मैंने, बहुत किस्म के टाइप के लोगों को मैंने देखा है, राइट फ्रॉम ग्रास रूट लेवल टू टॉप लेवल, एंड सबने कुछ ना कुछ सीख देके गया है. So this baby of us, the PNC OPC Private Limited, has given us lessons.
That is true. And see, it is a privilege when you see that जो आपने एक टाइम पे सोचा था, आप उस मुकाम पे पहुंच गए और आज आपके पास उससे भी ज्यादा अचीव करने की इच्छा है, and also more the drive, motivation to do it. So we are blessed that we have pageant shows, but we are more blessed to have mentors like you who understand the other person before just putting them up on the ramp. आप जो समझते हो हमारे से, वही बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. And a true mentor is somebody who just does not hold your finger and make you walk, but is somebody who makes sure that they're standing behind you. So
yes, and I stand entire show. Okay, I know how much pain it is, but we do not have our own children. But I am a mom even to a 50-year-old lady. So I have kids. My mentees are my kids. My beauty pageant or the girls who do modeling or shoots, they are kids to us. So that's how I derive my parenting from, getting so many kids. And it's just not putting a crown on them or making them look, beautiful or making a career. बट अगर कोई आके बोलता है दीदी मैम मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई है करके, आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट आई लुक इन माय एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जर्नी, a sense of fulfillment.
which is true. अब देखिए, आप तो इतनी चीजें कर रहे हो, क्या futuristically speaking am I going to see on the big screen of Tollywood or a very big ramp walk show? Is that on your cards? Do you intend or plan for something like this?
Ramp walk show, I already have my own.
Right, that's your
so
own
you
baby.
see every year once. So वो तो is on the list. I don't walk, I make the people walk. So that
is a thing. But what about Tollywood? I think the big screen is something that everyone aspires to go to. So
Inshallah. Yeah, definitely. If अगर कुछ जैसे बोलते हैं ना, I believe सब कुछ नहीं कर सकता. So hence I have still not done my debut. But अगर कुछ अच्छा आता है, which I think I'll be able to do justice, why not? So I'm open to working in Tollywood. I am definitely grooming myself because grooming is important whether you do something or not.
Right.
ताकि अगर सही चीज सही टाइम पे अगर आए, you must be prepared. You don't have to leave it because you're not ready for that. But again, I'll say it all, as I said, वक्त से पहले और नसीब से ज्यादा नहीं मिलता है. So अगर वक्त आएगा और मेरे नसीब में होगा, definitely I have to help myself. इंशाल्लाह देखते हैं.
हम कहते हैं ना कि ऊपर वाला बैठा हुआ है, वो सबकी देन देगा, सबको सब कुछ मिलेगा टाइम पे, विच इट इज ट्रू. एंड अब देखिए आप, चलिए मैं तो सोच रही हूँ कि आप कल टॉलीवुड चले ही जाओ, ठीक है,
Okay.
बट आप समझ रहे हो मेजर क्वेश्चन, मेजर चीज जो सारे व्यूअर्स सोचते हैं कि एज अ वुमन बैकअप होना जरूरी है इन सब चीजों के लिए. Also as a woman, not just having a backup to do something, but also as a woman to maintain everything, figure everything out. Like see, when you're stepping out of your house, you're leaving एक पूरा संसार आप पीछे छोड़ के काम पे निकलते हो. तो ये पर्टिकुलर कॉन्वर्सेशन के लिए दो क्वेश्चंस हुई मेरी कि भाई एक हो गई कि बैकअप चाहिए अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, लाइक डज अ वुमन नीड बैकअप इन एन इंडस्ट्री व्हिच इज so flashy, which is so glamorous on the screen, definitely. So how do you feel about this? Like, do you feel that there is a backup required?
I'll answer this question for last you. You are a working professional. What do you think?
I would completely go with it कि backup की बहुत ज़रूरत है. आज भगवान का दिया हुआ सब कुछ है. जैसे उदय शेट्टी ने कहा,
भगवान का दिया हुआ सब कुछ है, दौलत है, शौहरत है,
कि दौलत है, शौहरत है, और तो बस एक ही बेस्ट चीज है, दैट इज माई फादर, बिकॉज आई लुक अप टू हिम. जो हूँ उन्हीं की वजह से हूँ, जैसी भी हूँ उन्हीं की वजह से हूँ. आगे बढ़ते बढ़ते आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बी गेटिंग एंगेज्ड एंड माई फ्यूचर हस्बैंड इज ऑल्सो वेरी सपोर्टिव, वेरी वेरी सपोर्टिव. सो यस, बैकअप इज नीडेड. आज उनका भी चाहिए होगा, कल जाके आज पापा का बैकअप तो चाहिए. आप बताइए इसमें, हैव यू एवर फेल्ट एन इंसिडेंट लाइक दिस बिफोर?
I mean, just as she said, family backup is required a lot. Apart from that, I wouldn't say a woman or a man, let's not be gender biased, because I somehow do not support this so-called, women. ऊपर वाले ने जब बनाया, सबको बराबर बनाया है. जितना दुख एक लड़के को होता है, उतना ही लड़की को होता है. जितना मेहनत एक लड़की को करना होता है, लड़के को उतना ही करना होता है. So I am very very clear. Just because you're a girl, you should not be, getting extra perks,
right?
Because of being a woman. But yes, I see and I feel that there are times you do need support in work area as well. Many people have their godmothers, godfathers. Many people have, their own group of people,
right,
who, are willing to support them, help them.
Right.
जहाँ पे maybe if somebody coming completely, we talk of Bollywood, nepotism and all that. So it applies everywhere and it applies to every industry.
Correct.
So that's not in our hands. Right. But what is in our hands is our family. So yes, you need to have a supportive family, right, a healthy body,
right,
and a peaceful mind.
Peaceful mind, yes. You actually spoke something that was on my mind, that you need to have a peace of mind, which it is true. Aj that you're here, give me one styling tip for our viewers. So I'll give you 3 types of people. So one category could be a mid-sized woman, maybe 5'2" height. What is the styling that you would give her according to your views?
You mean about the height part? You're
height, mid-sized as well, normal woman. उनके लिए एक styling advice दीजिए आप.
Keep yourself minimalistic and wear heels.
And wear heels, yes, because that brings out the broadness and it also outshines us, right? So we wear heels a lot.
Do not overdress.
Point. What it is for a boy who is in his college days, a normal guy who's in his college days, must be what, 5'5", 5'6" by height, very normal sized, a little on the skinnier size. उनके लिए क्या है?
I mean, boy, just enjoy your life. Don't think about that too much. Just enjoy your good young days, because when you become old, you will not get that.
Right.
So just do not go too much with the trend. Just be comfortable in whatever you
you wear. Right. So great. And now one of my questions to you कि आप ऐसी कौन सी लेगेसी छोड़ के जाना चाहते हो अपने बच्चों के लिए, जो हम है आपके मेंटीज हो गए, हम आपके फ्रेंड्स हो गए, रिलेटिव्स हो गए, जो दुनिया आपको आज देख रही, उनके लिए आप क्या एक ऐसी लेगेसी में ट्रेडमार्क छोड़ के जाना चाहते हो?
Nothing is impossible because after doing MBA, I never ever thought I would become a fashionista and influencer. People cannot think. लोग आज 17-18 साल की उम्र से मॉडलिंग शुरू करते हैं. So there can be a shift in career in your 30s as well. I am the biggest example. I have taken a shift in career in my 30s. And no matter what you do, Kiran, you have to be honest with yourself and with the person.
Right.
And बोलते हैं ना कि अगर ऑनेस्टी में आपको कभी कभी क्रूअल भी होना पड़े, कभी कभी स्ट्रिक्ट भी होना पड़े, तो वो करिए. उससे लोग आपको बोलेंगे खड़ूस है, चिल्लाती है, irritating है, but that's what you are. Be honest, be yourself. Do not copy others. And God will always help if you help your own self.
Right. God does help the people who help themselves.
Yeah, इसी बात पे cheers.
इसी बात पे cheers. Thank you. Okay, so that we have come almost nearing to the end, but I will not leave this without a quick rapid fire round. And this rapid fire round is all about you, all about your life. It's all about what you've done. So Bilkis दी rapid fire round की ये questionings आपको बहुत जल्दी answer करनी पड़ेगी because that's how it is supposed to be. And by the end, if that you answer all the questions, and I know she's going to brilliantly answer, we have a small hamper for you. So can we start? Are you scared? Are you ready?
I'm scared. I'm excited.
Excited.
क्या मिलेगा? All right.
Great. So, what is that one word that describes your signature style?
Elegant.
Elegant. Heels or sneakers?
Heels.
Okay. Statement piece or minimalistic staple?
Minimalistic.
Minimalistic. Okay. Vintage or cutting edge?
Cutting edge.
Oh, great. Coffee or tea to fuel the day?
Tea.
Tea. Okay, you're a tea person.
Yeah.
Okay. First thing that you check in the morning?
My WhatsApp.
WhatsApp. So phone, definitely. Okay. Are you a risk taker or are you a planner?
Both.
Both. So again, beauty with brains.
Yes.
I will take the risk, but I will plan and take my risk.
Yes.
You're there.
According to my risk appetite.
Correct. So that अपने limit में हम risk ले भी ले. Okay. So the next must-have skincare step for you.
Skincare, sunscreen.
Sunscreen is a must. It is. Is it very important?
It's very important.
Great. So for our viewers, please use a sunscreen. Okay. So lipstick or a lip balm?
Lipstick.
Lipstick. Okay. For men, classic shave or modern grooming?
Classic.
Classic. So you like men staying in
trousers and shirts. I like men look like men and not boys.
I think she's talking about her husband.
Oh,
here.
yes.
Because he is just like this. So definitely points given. Okay. So a single scent or changing fragrances daily?
Changing.
Changing. Okay. Morning person or night owl?
Difficult. I'm 24/7 person actually.
Wow. So work hours are not fixed definitely with the kind of work.
बहुत difficult है ये बोलना.
कि morning है कि कब morning है night पता ही नहीं
चलता है actually पता नहीं चलता है कभी lunch कर रहे हैं 7 बजे so.
Correct. Okay, what drives you what drives you more, passion or profit?
Passion.
Passion. Okay. And what is your favorite go-to quote?
I think I've said it multiple times, but I'll say it once again. वक्त से पहले और नसीब से ज्यादा ना किसी को मिला है और ना मिलेगा.
Which is very true. Okay, morning routine essential.
खुद के बनाया हुआ हाथ की गरम गाढ़ी दूध वाली चाय with lots of sugar in it.
So see, we have the tea person, you are the sugar person, you like sweet, so I know next time how to please you also.
Yeah.
Okay, what is your dream travel destination?
Paris.
Paris, wow.
Yeah.
It's for lovers, huh?
Yeah.
That's a nice place. A favorite playlist vibe?
I think I like soft romantic songs.
Soft romantic songs, okay. What is your guilty pleasure treat?
Jalebi.
Oh my god, jalebi is ultimate favorite here. Which we come to the end, and the end is not here because we're going to give it a small hamper for beautifully coming up with this rapid fire round. We are so thrilled. that you were here with us. You were here making this a Talk to KP session, a really Talk to KP session. So, once more, I am glad to announce that Bilkis Parvendi has completed a podcast with us, and she is a fashion influencer, fashion entrepreneur, a businesswoman. She's into modeling, she is into grooming, she's a grooming mentor for a lot of people. So, thank you so much for being on screen with us, and we are hoping that you have loved this podcast. And Talk to KP is all about talking to KP. So, for more, please stay tuned on our channel. And if you want to be sharing the hot seat with me and you think ki you can do the wonders like our beauty people here, you need to DM us, or you can look up to us on our Instagram page @TalkToKP. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, everybody, for watching and tolerating us. Love you all. God bless.